Select
Well,
ride.
as you can see, it's
Or
a
race.
rainy Ninja 400 ride. I guess I could do a long-term review on this bike as well. Already here, right? I always tell everybody this is the perfect beginner bike that most newbies should never upgrade from. You can go back on my channel and see the Ninja 400 launch 0 to 80 miles an hour. I'll link that one in the description here. And I mean, just a really peppy bike. Most people will never use what this bike is capable of. Straightaways or corners, whatever you choose. As far as equipment goes, for the pricing, this bike is loaded. This is not a Ninja 300 or a Yamaha R3. This is a Ninja 400. Tires were great for the amount of time they've lasted. Probably gonna last me maybe a month or two this summer. It's currently got 2,000 miles on it, and it's been every bit of amazing. Really decent paint job for what you pay for. Bike just has a lot of liveliness to it. Great machine. It'll wheelie. It'll go 125 miles an hour. And if you think about that, most people don't want to go that fast. Stock tires, say a 0 to 5. I'd give stock tires a definitely I'd say a 5 for the size and the bike that this is. These tires stock are great. I'd love to see with some performance tires on it. What this motorcycle could really do. And the brakes are definitely major dislike about the bike are the brakes. They're just obviously it's a smaller bike, so it's not going to get huge brakes. The discussion I have had with some of my good friends is if they made a lower CC bike in, say, a Repsol model or, whatever, special edition with better brakes on it, whatever, maybe a little bit of pep in the motor just, because you're already going to buy a different bike, then, I probably would have been the one I bought, even if it was a couple more bucks. But as far as commuting goes, the Ninja 400's where it's at. If you're watching this video and I can direct your attention to the bottom of the screen, bottom left, you can go down and subscribe to, select ride or race, and you'll see our content whenever we put fresh stuff out. That's alright, I'll go up. With all the recent coronavirus talk, not very many cars on the road no matter what time of the day it is, or what's going on. There's not too many events left, so a lot of stuff canceled. But overall, you get so much from this little bike. LED lights, like I said, half decent. It's wonderful gas mileage when you're not riding it like a hooligan. Top, maybe more. Just coasts at highway speeds, just marvelously. You kind of cut through the air and kind of get behind the bike and almost relax, if to say. I could never relax on the highway on my Ninja 300, excuse me. Felt like I was getting blown around by the cars around me. This bike not only has the power to hang with traffic, but to pass with ease. most cars can't run with this bike, doesn't matter. Slid on up through traffic here. But I mean, otherwise, this is the perfect beginner bike. It looks good. The styling is nice. It rides great. It'll probably run forever almost. With the engineering of new motorcycles and a little bit more they charge, these bikes will probably run forever. Overall, nice seating position. For the bigger guys, obviously this isn't going to be exactly the best seating position. About 5'10". I'm a smaller guy, but occasionally I find myself sitting up on the seat or, relaxing somewhere, trying to stretch my legs out a little. Other than that, like I said, this is a great bike. Black on black, LEDs, enough fire to get you around and get you in trouble.